Hi everyone! So today I had a bit of free time and I decided to add some flowery decoration to my room because I've been really loving all those flowers outside. And yeah, so here are some random little DIYs. Polaroids, quotes, and flowers are some of my favorite things. So in this DIY I decided to combine all of them into one. Basically, I just printed out some square pictures of flowers and then I used a ruler to trace the shape of a Polaroid because honestly I can't really afford Polaroids, but this satisfies my love for them. Then I just cut them out and write some quotes on the bottom. And I actually really love these because you can put them anywhere on the walls, on the cover of your notebook, or you can even use it as a bookmark. I really love how buntings can always make anything look amazing, and I decided to make some flowery buntings to decorate my room. For this, I just basically printed out some flowery pictures, got some yarn and tape, and that's basically all you need. I just cut out a triangular piece of paper to use as a template, and I used it to cut triangles out of all the flowery papers that I had. And then I used tape to attach all the triangular flowery papers onto the yarn. I actually really loved how these turned out, so I'll definitely be making more of these in the future. This last DIY is kind of all over the place, but I basically just really wanted to use fairy lights. So I taped one of those Polaroids onto the jar and then I added some fairy lights into the jar and it actually turned out really pretty. So it's actually perfect just the way it is, but you can also add some fake flowers onto the top. And this looks really beautiful both at nighttime and in daytime. So yeah, those were some of the things that I did today and I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and I will see you all next week with another video. Bye!